This is a courtroom where two lives collide in a battle of fear and resilience. On one side stands a woman, haunted by the relentless stalking of a man who has become her worst nightmare. On the other side, the accused, consumed by a dangerous obsession that defies reason. As the court proceedings unfold, tensions escalate to a breaking point. The judge, striving to maintain order and protect the victim, issues a stern order for the accused to leave the woman alone. But what happens next is nothing short of horrifying. The accused becomes violent, unleashing a torrent of shouts and threats directed at the very judge presiding over the case. The hearing was about Larson's alleged violation of a personal protection order against the woman. The hearing began calmly but escalated quickly as McBain questioned Larson about his persistent Facebook messages to the woman, despite a personal protection order against him.
I'll go back and look at the original activity. You're going to her car, you're putting cards on it, you're sitting down next to her car.
That was all before the video.
I know, but it's like this fatal attraction kind of stuff that I warned you about last time. I told you to just leave her alone. She was a classmate of yours. She apparently has no interest in seeing.
I want her to tell me to leave her alone.
That seemed to irritate McBain, whose voice became noticeably sharper as he responded.
You know what? I told you to leave her alone. And apparently that didn't get through loud and clear. So today, you're going to jail for 3 days.
What followed was an escalating exchange in which Larson accused the judge of being buddy-buddy with the woman and McBain, declaring that the defendant has a bad attitude. As Larson continued interrupting the judge, McBain upped his jail sentence.
45 days county jail. Okay. 93 days in the county jail. You want to go for a year? Try it right now. One more word out of you, it'll be a year of county.
Over Facebook.
Over violations of my PPO and your conduct in the courtroom. 93 days in county.
A court officer tried to take Larson into custody. The defendant tensed up and tried to fight him. Larson and the officer, identified by MLive.com as Jared Schultz, struggled as Larson continued to point and talk to the woman.
Come, stand up. Yeah.
Buddy, motherfucker.
Stand up. You're going to a jail for a year in the county. 365 days county jail.
Can't do that shit.
Appeal it.
I will. Good.
Put your hands behind your back.
Now. I'll leave you alone. Tell me to leave you alone. Tell me right now.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Tase his ass right now. Put it down. That's a nut for you. All right? Get your tase right. I'll bust your fucking arm.
I put my hand behind my back, yeah.
Got my taser out right now. Put your hands behind your back. We'll make it 93. You can think about it. All right.
Over Facebook. You know her.
Well, so I know her. So I don't know her personally.
That's not
In the
fair.
community. Get to know you
I'm
all too
good.
much.
I'm good court. That's
All right. 93 days.
all right. Really?
Can't fucking tell me to leave you alone. Can't fucking tell me to leave you alone.
I've got a deputy coming up to
Can I get
here.
my jacket at least?
Since the courtroom incident, Larson again violated the protection order in July after he sent the woman 20 friend requests on Instagram. The woman went to Larson's Instagram and discovered a video he had made with her name as the title. In the video, Larson reportedly referred to the protection order and said, "If he can't have her, no one can," implying that the two had a dating relationship. The woman told police the two of them had never had a dating relationship and that their only connection was that they had gone to the same school.